I wanted to turn the YouTube channel into like a channel that like is not about me anymore, but about things that I do know, since I do shit. You know, I do shit. So this is something that I'm doing right now. It's called deconstructing a pallet. I'm gonna use it to create a dry toilet that I'm gonna use as like a composting toilet, but it's gonna be like, I'm gonna make a box frame from the pallet wood that I'm harvesting or stripping from the pallet. I'll just show you. I just did one piece and I was like, oh yeah, I'm eating this. This is why I learned in Puerto Rico and Cuencas from my host family. Love you, Jorge and Maria. I miss y'all. Bad. Anyways. Oh. And just like that. And now I have 2 pieces of free wood I can use to build shit with. Se puede vivir con menos. You can live with less. You just gotta take out the nails, and even these nails you can reuse. And for some free wood that you can do anything with, just for with these tools, which everybody usually has a hammer already, and then buy this, which my dad bought me this, shout out. So I didn't pay a cent for some free wood to build some shit. So y'all can do it too. So go build some shit. Eat 'em. So, if y'all didn't get what I did, I just like put this part in the pallet and then hit it with the hammer, like underneath the wood, and popped it off from the top at each part. And then you pull off the last piece because it's easy. Just a trick. So this part, you need boots and jeans for real. So your shins can stay cute and petite and tiny and trimmed up. Because these nails right here, if you fling this big old bitch, oh, exactly, that shit will hurt. So, but the ones in Puerto Rico were different. Like, just know there's a different type of pallet that has better wood. Not saying that this wood's not up to par, but it's also not, you know, pressure treated, heavy, all that bullshit that makes it nice. But it works. And there's another pallet though, and that I'm gonna try to get. I couldn't even fit this one in my car because this one looks smaller than the ones that we used in PR. And instead of having 4 on the back, there's like 3 hefty bitches, like 3 hefty hoes, instead of 4 smaller, sturdy bitches. So, so I'll let y'all know. I don't know why y'all would give a fuck about that, but just know this is as many fucks as y'all are getting from me today. I was thinking about getting a tripod and carrying, but really you're just gonna have to get the vision. Because I want to say that I'm doing this right, but I also kind of forgot. So bear with me. But yeah, basically just swing the hoe to detach the bitches from the bottom piece, so you don't have to do more work with the crowbar and hammer. You'll get it. Yup. Exactly. Exactly. And that's how you do it. Oh. Love it. Yeah, because these nails, I like to have this. Right, I think. Yeah. Exactly. Y'all saw that? Y'all saw how this flipped up though and hit my shin? That's why you wear the jeans. You wear the boots because the nails that are sticking up after you take the shit out. Wow. So now you have three mean, and I mean mean, okay? Like mean pieces of wood. They're sturdy. These can be like main frame type thing. Not beam. Okay. Y'all, the ones that get it, get it. And then you have, they piss me off. But 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So 9 pieces of some pretty good wood. And all I really need is hey, let there be rain. I said it was gonna rain, didn't I? Sorry, I was looking at that cloud. It looks like it's about to rain. I'm not in love with that. To be real. I said it looks like it's gonna rain. It always rains when I do construct graphics. But anyways, all I need is for it to be this long. So it's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 lengthwise. And then 1 width. Yeah, 1 widthwise, 5 length. And it don't even gotta be 5, but or this long. So I need 10, so I just need 1 more pallet and then I can build the compost toilet. But I'll just have to take these nails out, which will be easy now that I have this, because let me show you another trick. There you go. You see this nail? And then you hammer this hole. After you straighten that bitch out, you hammer that hole through. And then usually you can yank it. I have like a cup here usually. Acting like I do this often, even though this is my first time doing it ever since I've been back home. But, and then you just do that to the other ones. Straighten them out first. You know, wop. All that. Down. And then usually you can take them out. Okay, so here's, it's pretty crooked. You could straighten it out more, but here's the trick that I wanted to show y'all. So basically, when you pull it, if you have more leverage up here, this is what my Leah taught me. I love her, I miss her bad. Anyways, basically if you have more leverage up here with like a stick with your hammer, like after you get it hooked. So, let me start, sorry. So you hook the nail, and then you pull the wood, and then you yank it, and it's usually just easier with more leverage up here, and I don't know why, but it just is. That's how life works. So just one of the things you have to accept. So just know, I guess I could finish it. We're already here. Also, I probably wouldn't recommend doing this in your driveway. And I would probably keep the ear protection on and the goggles, you know. But like, also, like, don't do this at home, kids. Whatever I need to say to not get sued. Because y'all know I'm not certified. The only thing I'm certified in is... Let me stop. Okay. So this piece of wood that I can get ate up. And then my family at home in Caguas, I know I won't shut up about them, but I do truly love them. They covered theirs in motor oil to keep the bugs off and keep it like kind of treated, you know, because people pay more money for pressure treated wood when you could just go to a cool ass oil place that you know, like mechanic, and be like, hey, can I get your old oil? Because like when you go in for an oil change, you get oil taken out of your vehicle, and you can just ask for the old oil to use as like paint for the wood, basically. So, and that should do its biggest. And keep your wood pretty good for a while. Also, just like, don't pollute with the motor oil. I will recommend that. Like, just let it dry out for a good spot and some concrete covered so it doesn't get rained off or run off. Because I don't think that motor oil is good for nobody in this fucking world. So just, you know, make sure. But honestly, I think I'm done talking, and I'm gonna go smash all of these out while I can. Yeah, so once my dad gets here, I can actually learn how to use that saw. Yeah. I'm about to get down. Okay, well, I love y'all. And I'll get like a better setup if y'all actually enjoy these. Because I just know I'm about to get down. Homesteading, here we come.